So parentheses, as you can tell, changes everything. So let's do a couple examples on the board just to kind of ask ourselves the question, what do the parentheses actually change in math? So take a look at this one, -2 squared. Now, the squared is squaring what? That's right, the 2. But is it squaring the negative? And the answer to that is no, Mr. Mian. It is not squaring a negative. So then what you do is you say, well, 2 squared is 4, right? All done. And then don't forget about the negative. So the answer is -4. But here, it's a completely different animal. What is the 2 squared? That's right, the -2. So then this becomes -2 times -2, which the answer is +4. So the parentheses in a particular problem will change everything. So let's try one of the ones that we were doing previously. Let's say -5, pardon me, -5 squared cubed. Now you say, well, that sounds really hard, but it's not really hard. All you have to do is follow our rule. Just say -5 squared cubed. So then you say, how many -5 squares do I have? Well, I have 3 of those, right? So if we do it the long way, it's -25 times -25 times -25. Or if you want to see it, -5 squared times -5 squared times -5 squared, right? And then if I just kind of, pardon me, I'm so sorry. There we go. Okay. So 3 -5 squared, right there. So, in the end, negative times negative times negative is what? Negative, that's right. And I have 3 of these 5 squared, so I can change that into -5 to the 6th power. Now how did you do that? Because I have 2 here, 2 there, and 2 there. Or I could have just used my rule and said 3 times 2 is 6, and that's that.